About communication address and baud rate configuration of AMC series 3-phase panel engine meter. When the engine meter is powered up and in standby interface, press Set button twice. To enter password interface, press Enter button and press Right button to set password 0001. Press Enter button to enter system interface. Use Right button to enter bus interface. Press Enter button twice to enter address interface. Here you can set the communication address of AMC series. After correctly setting the communication address, use Set button and Right button to find baud rate interface. Here you can set the baud rate of AMC series, which is default as 9600. After correctly finish all the setting, press Set button until you find Save interface. Press Enter button if the interface showing yes to save your setting.